Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and work through your homework problems so that we can kind of knock this out pretty quick tomorrow so that we can get our activity done. Okay, so remember 1 through 10 are just asking you to simplify. Okay, so we're using our exponent rules. So like for number 1, we're just going to combine like terms. So 3y cubed minus 11y cubed is going to give me negative 8y cubed. And then you just bring your 5y squared down. Okay, number 2 is a division problem, so we're going to divide our big numbers like normal. 40 divided by negative 5 is negative 8. And then you subtract 9 minus 2, and that gives me g to the 7th. All right, number 3 is going to apply 2 rules. It's going to apply our multiplication and then our addition property. Okay, so this is going to give me 12c to the 5th because you multiply your big numbers, add your exponents. And this is going to give me 12c to the 5th. Don't forget that understood 1 right here on that c. So now we have c to the 5th on both of these, so we're going to add those together, making it 24c to the 5th. Remember, when you add, you do not add your exponents. All right, so number 4 is our power to a power. So we're going to square 4 and then w to the 4 times 2. So that gives me 16w to the 8th. All right, number 5 is just a combining like terms problem, so it's a subtraction. So 6 minus 8 is negative 2x cubed. Number 6 is going to give us 48. Add your exponents into the 6th. And then number 7 is going to be a distributive property plus a combining like term. So that's going to give me 12x minus 15y plus 10y. And then negative 15y plus 10y is going to be negative 5y. Number 8 is going to give me 48 divided by 6 is going to be 8. And then you subtract, so that's going to be m10. All right, number 9 is a distributive property problem. And then a combining like term problem. So 12a minus 15a is going to give me negative 3a, and negative 6c plus 10c is going to give me 4c. And number 10 is another distributing first, so that gives me negative 8x minus 20c. And then 10c minus 20c is negative 10c minus 8x. Okay, so those are kind of our exponent rule problems on there. Now we're going to go down to the identification of a monomial, a binomial, or a trinomial, but remember you have to simplify first. So like on number 11, we have 5x minus 2x is 3x. We have 3y plus 4y is 7y. And then we have our minus 11 here, so this is a trinomial. For number 12, we have 3x cubed alone. Then we have 2x squared plus 4x squared is 6x squared, and then minus 11x. So again, that is a trinomial. A lot of y'all had actually asked me about number 13 before you left class today. So 2x minus x is 1x. 1x minus another x is no x's. They all canceled out. All right, for our y's, 3y plus 8y is 11y, and 11y minus 11y, they all cancel out. So now all we're left with is negative 14 plus 12, making your answer negative 2, which is a monomial. So 2 trinomials and a monomial. And that takes us down to the bottom, and this is just evaluating expressions or substitution. So basically, I'm going to plug in. And remember, you're multiplying here, not just 4 minus 2. So that's going to be negative 8 plus negative 15, which is negative 23. So this would give me negative 15 plus 2, or negative 13. Okay, remember this right here, that's y squared. That negative is in parentheses, so it's negative 5 squared, which is positive 25. And then our last one's going to be 8 divided by negative 2 minus 4 times negative 2. Okay, so this is going to give me negative 4 plus 8, which is 4. So every one of your homework problems have been done for you. So there's absolutely no reason why anybody tomorrow does not have their homework completed.